How to add a custom domain name to Blogger step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be walking ourselves through the process of how we can add a custom domain or custom domain name to Blogger. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go ahead to blogger.com over here. Once you're over here, you're going to go into your settings. Now, once you've gone into your settings from here on out, what you're going to allow yourself to do, is you're going to go ahead, scroll down to publishing. And in publishing, here you can see you have custom domain and blog address. So first of all, you are going to want to give permissions to everything, and you're going to make sure that the email and formatting that you use go with the proper blog. And once you do that, it's going to allow you to add custom domains and custom publishings, and you're also going to want to make sure that your blog address is similar to whatever your domain's blog address is. And once you choose that, it's going to allow you to add a custom domain in the easiest way possible. So yeah, and do make sure to go ahead and buy the upper packages on Blogger, because that is how you can add a custom domain. You cannot add it for free. So yeah, that is how you can add a custom domain name to Blogger. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.